Good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Sumi MS. The topic of my today's presentation is Prom, Eprom and Eeprom from Unit 5 Programmable Logic and Memory Devices of Digital Logic Circuits and Design. On completion, the students will be able to differentiate between Prom, Eprom and Eeprom and also list the different types of Eprom. Non-volatile memory or non-volatile storage is a type of computer memory that can retain stored information even after power is turned off. Non-volatile memory includes read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, and electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, ferroelectric RAM, as well as most types of computer data storage devices such as disk storage, hard disk drives, optical disk, floppy disk, magnetic tape, as well as the early computer storage methods such as punched tapes and cards. Prom, Eprom and Eeprom are types of non-volatile memory that differ in their programming nature. Prom, programmable ROM, is a one-time programmable type of memory, and Eprom is the erasable programmable ROM, can be erased with UV light and it can be reprogrammed. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory allows for electrical erasure of the program and it can be reprogrammed often byte by byte, making it more flexible and is being used in the common devices that are under use today like USB drives. Prom. Prom stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. Once a program has been composed onto a PROM, it remains there until the end of time. It is a programmable logic device that has a fixed AND array and a programmable OR array. And the block diagram represents a PROM with N input and M output with fixed AND array and programmable OR array. Applications of PROM. It's used in mobile phones for giving client particular selections, in implantable restorative devices, radio frequency identification tags, as well as high definition multimedia interfaces. Eprom. Eprom is a memory chip that is non-volatile in nature and can hold the data even after power supply is stopped. It can be reused again and again as it is easily programmable and erasable. A chip that uses, this is a type of chip that uses ultraviolet light to write and erase data. And each transistor in the array that makes up the chip has the capacity to store a small amount of data, and the chip is exposed to UV light when it is necessary to erase the data, and at the time all the transistors will be reset to their initial condition. Types of Eprom. There are mainly two types of Eprom, UV Eprom and one-time programmable Eprom. So programming a UV Eprom requires a high voltage. The majority of UV Eprom chips have a 20-year data retention period and a high read cycle count. One-time programmable Eprom, here it can be programmed only once. Eeprom. It stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. It is a type of non-volatile primary memory and it is a modified version of the erasable programmable read-only memory where UV light is used, and here instead of UV light electrical signals are used to erase and program the ROM. It is used as a chip in computers to store the digital data. These are of two main types, serial EEPROM and parallel EEPROM. Quiz questions on Prom, Eprom and Eeprom. What are the applications of Prom? Write down the different types of Eprom. Thank you.